In one click, you can make multi-floor elevation, decor, detail, everything, including top stair. In just single click, detailed perfect projection level section for multi-floor, including stair top. In this video, I will show you how you can make automatic elevation section in just one time. This ground floor and first floor plan we have, okay. We will extract multi-floor elevation for this ground and first floor plan, okay. For that, let this here YQPRIME, okay. We are using YQPRIME plugin, auto elevation. Select G+1 floors, right? Front elevation, input parameters, very important. These are the parameters in your control, okay. You must have to keep as per your unit, like meter, feet, centimeter, millimeter. We are getting multiple unit option. Decoration arch, 40 unit. Stair tower, let this here, 350 unit. We need stair tower, right? Projection you can tick, untick if you want. If you want, you can tick or untick, okay. So hatches for your wall, window, door and projection. You can keep from here. So this DCL you have to experiment multiple time, okay. Generate elevation and just click your wall, door, window and projection line. Very important thing you have to understand here, your door must be separate layer with exact name door, and same for window also, okay. So first floor plan selected, right? Once you select, just enter one time and go to first floor and select your end-to-end wall, projection line and door and window. In this case, door we are not getting here, right? This is first floor. Select like this. So it detects as per door, window, perfect layer, okay. Now all set, enter one time. Make sure you off ortho mode, okay. Enter one time. Now select your stair tower, two line, end-to-end line, okay. Exactly two line that represent your stair tower, okay. This will go staircase, right? You can untick if not required. Okay, all set. What you do, just enter one time. And here we go. You are getting perfect, accurate, detailed elevation from ground to first floor and stair top, including arch, window, door, level, dimension, projections, hatches, everything in just one time. You can make multi-floor, single floor, as much as floor you have, you can make perfect elevation. Something like this. If you see here, if you are a student, this is the most important thing you should learn to understand how to make automatic elevation from AutoCAD, okay. So this way you can use this powerful tool to make multi-floor accurate elevation with 100% precision in just one time. Same as it is, same parameters, we want section also, including everything, projection, top stair, dimensions, arch, everything, okay. For that, let this here YQPRIME, let this auto section, you can type SEC also, okay. Building configuration, G+1 floor, right? Take from here. Structural setup, you can choose your input parameters. You have to practice many times this DCL, okay. Decor arches, we'll keep 40 unit. Stair tower, tick, untick, we need, right? So let this tick. Height 340, inner dimension, projection required, right? Let this tick. Dimension, hatches, line color, everything okay. Okay. And now select your crossing section line, vertical, horizontal. Horizontal window, 3 panel, 2 panel, you can keep as per your own. Projection line, whatever crossing through section, just select like this, okay. And here also, and here also. This is our door. As I said, door, window must be separate layer, okay. All set, enter one time and select your text like this. We have to place text also. Enter one more time. Now go to next floor, select your crossing line, okay. And same here also. So this dual leaf we are getting, right, this door. click here, dual leaf, and click over the window. Let this 2 panel, you can keep 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let this window line, all set. Enter one time, select your text, enter one more time, and when you enter one more time, it will ask you select your stair tower to line end to end. Let this first one and second one. Okay, and enter. When you enter, make sure ortho mode off. Okay, and now click here to get your perfect accurate section covering everything: projection, slab, stair tower, dimension, arch window, hatching, leveling. If you see here, with 100% precision, you are getting perfect section. You can make 100% this elevation and section perfectly using just from floor plan. Now this is the time to automate large scale drawing like elevation section. Must explore YQPRIME complete journey. You will get amazing insights. This will let you automate your most complex task in AutoCAD. If you want to enroll YQPRIME Ultimate Guide, check out the link below. You will get YQPRIME Plugin along with practice drawing, an upcoming video training course, and will cover future updates for this plugin. So don't miss the opportunity to automate your most common and most complex tasks in AutoCAD. I hope you got this video helpful. If you have any question or any query, must leave your comment below. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.